AI cartoon videos are going viral all over the internet. From kids to adults, everyone loves watching these cute cartoon videos, and many creators are getting hundreds of thousands, even millions of views with them. Just take a look at this Instagram page. It has gained 1.2 million followers just by posting these cute cartoon videos. The best part? They're incredibly easy to make. That's why I designed this master prompt. You'll find the link in the description. Now, let's jump into the tutorial. Copy the master prompt and head over to ChatGPT. Paste the prompt and press enter. ChatGPT will generate 10 unique video ideas. Choose any idea you like. For this tutorial, I'm selecting idea number 9. Simply type 9 and press enter. Next, ChatGPT will suggest 10 different characters. Choose your favorite. For this tutorial, I'm selecting character number 1, Popcorn Baby. Just type 1 and press enter. ChatGPT will then generate an image prompt and a video prompt. Copy the image prompt and go to Google Flow AI. Paste it into the prompt box, select these recommended image generation settings, and press enter. In a few seconds, your image will be ready. Now go back to ChatGPT. Copy the video prompt. Return to Google Flow AI. Click the 3 dots on the generated image, select Add to Prompt, paste the video prompt, select these recommended video generation settings, keep the duration set to 10 seconds, and press enter. After a short wait, your cartoon video will be ready, and here's the final result. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more AI tutorials. Also, let me know in the comments what tutorial you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.